Welcome back, Shinkai community. If you've been with us for a while, this will feel familiar. And if you're new, welcome. With the launch of the Shinkai Community Points program, we now have a way to recognize and reward everyone who actively contributes to the ecosystem. From exploring agents, to completing missions, to sharing feedback and helping others, everything you do can now earn you points. And to participate, the first step is connecting your wallet on Shinkai Web. Let's walk through it.
Alright, first things first. Open your browser and head over to shinkai.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a big pink-reddish button that says Try Shinkai Web. You literally can't miss it. Go ahead and click that. Cool, now you're inside Shinkai Web. If your screen looks like this, you're in the right place. Next, go to the top right corner. You'll see the Connect button sitting there. Click it. A pop-up is going to show up with a few sign-in options. For this walkthrough, we're using MetaMask, so click MetaMask. Perfect, now you should see a QR code. This is how you connect your phone wallet to Shinkai Web. Now grab your phone and open the MetaMask app. Inside MetaMask, tap the QR scanner icon and scan the code on your screen. MetaMask is going to ask you to sign a message. Just to prove it. No stress, it's simply confirming it's really you connecting the wallet. And that's it. Once you sign, your wallet is connected to Shinkai Web and you're good to go. See you next time!